Set B Q.1 solution. Here first we will create tables and then insert the records and then we will create cursor. Explanation. The given code is a SQL code block that fetches the name and charges of all gyms located in Pune with charges greater than 5,000. Let's break down the code. 1. Declaration of variables. V_name is a variable of type gym, name %type, which is a user-defined data type based on the data type of the column name in the table gym. V_charges is a variable of type gym, charges %type, which is a user-defined data type based on the data type of the column charges in the table gym. 2. Cursor declaration. The cursor gym_det is defined to select the gym name and charges from the gym table where the city is, Pune, and charges are greater than 5,000. 3. The code block begins with the dbms_output.put_line statement which will display the heading, gym charges, on the console. 4. The cursor gym_det is opened. 5. A loop is initiated using the loop keyword. The loop will continue until the gym_det %not found condition is met, which indicates that all rows have been fetched from the cursor. 6. The fetch statement retrieves the next row from the cursor and assigns the values of the name and charges columns to the variables v_name and v_charges, respectively. 7. The dbms_output.put_line statement displays the values of v_name and v_charges on the console separated by space. 8. The end loop statement ends the loop. 9. The close statement closes the cursor. The final result of this code is to display the gym name and its charges, separated by space for all gyms located in Pune with charges greater than 5,000 on the console.